Having trouble connecting your Aura frame to Wi-Fi? These troubleshooting steps will help you get your digital photo frame connected and working properly. Start with these basic checks. First, ensure your Aura frame is powered on and positioned close to your Wi-Fi router for the strongest signal. Then double-check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Remember, Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. A common fix is to forget the network on your phone and reconnect to verify you have the correct password. Next, reboot both devices. Unplug your Aura frame, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, reboot your Wi-Fi router and wait up to 10 minutes for it to fully restart. Aura frames have specific network requirements. Most models connect only to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, though newer models like Walden and Aspen support both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. The connection process requires specific steps. Your Aura frame must first be paired with a smart device via Bluetooth before it can connect to Wi-Fi. Additionally, only invited frame members can change the Wi-Fi network settings. Remember these key points. Ensure your smart device and frame are on the same Wi-Fi network. Aura frames need a stable connection since they rely on cloud servers to stream photos, and verify your router supports the 2.4 GHz band that most frames require. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Aura frame connectivity issues, these advanced fixes can help. First, let's address Bluetooth pairing problems. If you're having trouble with Bluetooth pairing, follow these 3 essential steps. Close the Aura app completely, reboot your frame by unplugging it, and ensure Bluetooth is turned on in your device settings. Different devices have specific requirements for Bluetooth connectivity. Android users must enable location services, while iPhone users need to grant Bluetooth privacy permission to the Aura app. For app-related connectivity problems, try these progressive solutions. Force close and reopen the Aura app, update it to the latest version, restart your phone, or as a final step, reinstall the app completely. To change your frame's Wi-Fi network, open the Aura app and navigate to your frame settings. Tap Change Wi-Fi Network, select your new network from the list, and enter the password. When your frame loses connection, it will display an offline or couldn't join network message. After 24 hours without connection, the frame automatically reverts to the setup screen for reconfiguration. As a last resort, you can set up your frame as a new device in the Aura app. This won't delete your existing photos or contributors. If you've forgotten your Aura account password, visit the login page and click Forgot Your Password to receive a reset email.